At Cambridge Electronic Industries, we don't just design and manufacture precision connectors, we also operate a UK-based cable assembly facility, enabling us to deliver complete, high-quality interconnection solutions. Established in 1988, the Cable Division of Cambridge Electronic Industries was created to support the emerging technology markets in the Cambridge area. Today, our customer base spans the world, but our ethos remains unchanged, delivering high-quality cable assemblies built to exact customer specifications, supported by exceptional service. We ensure every product is manufactured and delivered seamlessly, ready to plug and play into your systems. Our cable assembly products are used in markets such as broadcast, machine vision, automotive and public transport, defence, medical and laboratory equipment, industrial machinery and industrial printing. Our quotation process starts when we receive a customer inquiry. The information, including any drawings, will be sent to our technical team for review. If we have all the information required, we will create a bill of materials in our MRP system and start our quotation process. We go back to the customer with any questions we may have about components or cables used in the assembly and offer advice where required. We offer our quotations with expected lead times should the order be placed within the next week. Our manufacturing process starts when we receive a purchase order. At this point, we create full production drawings, which can be sent to the customer on request. All parts will be purchased for the full production run, and the work is allocated in our ERP system. If it is a first-time order or design change, we prepare a small sample run to check that the customer is happy with the manufacture and build before going on to produce larger quantities. At Cambridge Electronic Industries, we only use trusted parts from globally known manufacturers for our cable assembly products and never use alternative parts unless these have been certified by the customer. Some of the connector companies we use include Molex, Tyco Amp and TE, Hirose, Harwin, Bulgin, Surio, JST and of course Cambridge Electronic Industries. Whilst we use cable products from companies such as Belden, Igus, Huber and Schooner, Alphawire, as well as equipment wire and cables which are DEFSTAN, UL and low smoke zero halogen rated. The use of these products ensures that all of our customers receive high quality products that can be guaranteed to fit into the connections on their equipment without any loss of performance. Our assembly team follow the Institute of Printed Circuits and Wire Harness Manufacturers Association A620 standards for all our cable assembly processes. The standard sets the industry-accepted criteria for the manufacturing, assembly and inspection of cable and wire harness assemblies, which includes documentation, preparation, measuring cable assemblies and wires, crimp terminations, IDC connectors, solder terminations, high voltage applications, coaxial cable assemblies, connectorization, splices, marking and labelling, cable tying, assembly finishing, shielding and protective coverings, and testing. Each manufacturing drawing specifies the required components for the assembly, along with precise cut and strip lengths for all the wires, as well as the tools needed to complete the job. By performing the cutting and stripping of cables and wires using machines during the picking process, we ensure that all preparations are accurate and consistent across the entire batch. Many of our cable assemblies incorporate connectors that utilise crimp contacts, which are subsequently inserted into a housing to complete the termination. We maintain a comprehensive range of crimping tools to support both manual and automated crimping processes, ensuring reliability and consistency across all assemblies. Further details on the types of crimps we support are available on our website. Certain terminals, particularly those used in smaller coaxial cable connectors, require soldering directly to the cable. This process is carried out by hand at Cambridge Electronic Industries by our specialist cable manufacturing team, ensuring precision and quality in more delicate applications. For larger and more complex projects, such as cable looms, a dedicated loom board is typically produced for each assembly. This board is designed to accurately position and route the wires, ensuring the correct shape and layout of the wire harness. The loom board also provides a clear visual guide for the operator, indicating where each wire must be stripped, tinned, tied or terminated. This greatly improves consistency, reduces errors and supports the efficient production of complex multi-component cable assemblies. Our cable assembly products can be UL certified if this is a customer requirement, and all our production procedures and processes are certified under ISO 9001 and 14001 standards. Our completed cable assemblies are tested for continuity and crossovers, ensuring that the assembly will work when plugged into the system. We also provide simple component testing within cable assembly circuits to components such as resistors, diodes and capacitors, as well as switches, speakers and LEDs. Test certificates can be issued where these are required. The quality of our products is of utmost importance. All of our cable assemblies are tested for the quality of our crimping and soldering, as well as overall length, the components used and the finish of the product. We complete quality checks at 3 stages in our production cycle, with random inspections while being made, as well as first off and prototype runs and final inspections. Throughout our production process, all components, operators, testing and quality inspection is traceable, so that should an issue arise, it can be found and corrected easily. Our final inspections are completed at a higher level than the AQL statistical standards, with either 25 items or 10% of the production quantity, whichever is greater, being inspected prior to being cleared for shipment. We hope this video has given you an insight into the capabilities we have as a design and manufacturing house at Cambridge Electronic Industries. If you have a requirement for cable assemblies, we would be happy to review your specifications and offer advice and quotations for the project. Please send us more information to sales@cambridgeelectronics.com.